Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to math class. Today is lesson number 150. Boys and girls, we're going to use our seat work page 300 to do our math lesson for today. Take a look at section 1. It says use tally marks to show how many students in the survey choose each sandwiches. Boys and girls, since you guys are not here, I can't use students in order for me to do this part. So I'm going to be coming up with numbers just for the lesson purposes. So before we begin, remember, a graph helps us organize information to better understand it. Then we can answer questions about the information. So tally marks, we use tally marks to count. We make group of 5 first by making straight lines. Then when we count the number 5, we draw a slanted line across the 4 straight lines. We keep making groups of 5 until we have less than 5 left. Then we just make the number of marks we still need. So let's take a look at peanut butter. I know peanut butter sandwich is a very popular dish among students. So, since we have about 21 students in our class, I'm going to say about half of you love peanut butter sandwiches. So I'm going to make tally marks to represent 10 students. So I'm going to use this sheet right here to write on. I made a photocopy. So peanut butter, to make the tally mark, remember we make the straight lines first. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll make 4 straight lines, and now I need to write 5, but I'm going to make a slanted line. And when you see this, that represents 5. There's 4 straight lines and 1 slanted line. So every time you see tally marks like this, you know that you can count by 5s. Since I said we have like about 10 students who loves peanut butter and jelly, I need to do my other 5. So here, this will be 6, 7, 8, 9, and then I make my slanted line to make 10. So 10 students in our class likes peanut butter and jelly. Now let's take a look at our next sandwich, a grilled cheese sandwich. I love a good grilled cheese sandwich. So I'm going to have about maybe 7 of you guys might like grilled cheese sandwiches. So I'm going to make a tally mark for 7 students. Let's go. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm gonna put a slanted line to make 5. Now this represents 5, but I need 7. 5, I need 2 more students, so I'm going to make 2 straight sticks. And making sure there's a good amount of space, and I write 1, 2. So now I have 5, 6, 7. A total of 7 grilled cheese sandwiches. Now, turkey. Not sure if turkey's a popular group, but if I have 10 plus 7, I have a total of 17 students. So since I have 21 students in my class, I need to make turkey 4 to have a total of 21. So 4 students in our class like a turkey sandwich. 1, 2, 3, 4. Since there's only 4, I don't need to make the slanted line to make 5. So once again, I have 10 students who like peanut butter sandwich, 7 students who like grilled cheese, and 4 students that like a turkey sandwich. So now it's time for us to graph the results. Graph the results. Section 2 says complete your results. So here, the peanut butter. Remember, I had 10 students that loved peanut butter. If you take a look at here, the title of my graph is called Favorite Sandwiches of Our Class. Here's the different types of sandwiches, the peanut butter, grilled cheese, and turkey. And here is the number on the bottom. So I have 10 students who like my peanut butter sandwich. So I'll go here to 10. I need to color this whole area right here 10. So I have to stop here. So I'm going to draw my line here so I know I can't pass my coloring here. And I'm just going to color. Boys and girls, you can take your time and color it. Miss Sajor is just doing a rough draft of color. It's not going to be perfect, but I want you to do your best and color. I find coloring very relaxing. How about you? All right, I'm going to stop here. It's not my best work, but hey, there it is. So this shows I have 10 students. If I go back to my tally mark, 10 students like peanut butter sandwiches. And I color up to 10. So now let's do grilled cheese. We have 7 students in our class that like grilled cheese sandwiches. So I know we need to have at least 5. So here's 5. This is a darker line here. But there I need 7. So here will be 6, 7. So I can't pass. I apologize. I'm supposed to be here in the middle. I can't pass this line right here. So now I'm going to go ahead and color in my 7. So if I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 5, 6, 7. And once again, I'm just kind of coloring a little roughly, but I want you guys to do your best. Take your time, relax, and enjoy coloring. All right? So now I have a total of 7 students that love grilled cheese sandwiches. Now I only had 4 students who like a turkey sandwich. So if I go here, I need to count up 4. I can't go here to 5, so this line right here will represent 4. Notice that if I were to count 1, 2, 3, it shows 3 of them. If I were to color this will show 5. So we're only using the numbers on the bottom here. Don't count the rectangles. And here's my 4. Oop, I went past the line. So if I were to color this box, that would show 5 students, but I only needed 4. So now we're going to use the information in our graph to answer the questions in section 3. Now section 3. Mark the circle under the correct answer. Which sandwich do most students like best? Peanut butter, grilled cheese, or turkey? If you take a look at my graph, peanut butter was the favorite. So most students like peanut butter, in my opinion. So I'm going to fill in peanut butter. Now B, which sandwich do the fewest students like best? The fewest amount. Turkey is the fewest amount. Only 4 students like turkey. So I'm going to fill in the space for turkey. And lastly, which sandwich did you choose in the survey? So you get to fill it out. Which one do you like best? Peanut butter, grilled cheese, or turkey? I like grilled cheese, so I'm going to choose grilled cheese for me. If you like peanut butter, fill in peanut butter. If you like turkey, fill in turkey. All right, boys and girls, that is our time for math today. Have a wonderful day.